everyone. Today is such a big day. So I'm back in Idaho. This is Lake Ponderay. Hubby's behind the camera. I know you've heard me talk about it for about a year and a half. I've been writing a book. And guess what? Today is the day. It is right here. And I can't wait to see it. Here's my book. And I wanted to unbox it with you because you guys are the inspiration. If it wasn't for you starting to share your childhood memories, which I never expected, I would never be inspired to write the book. So this is, thank you. I can't wait to see what's inside. Okay, so right now there's just paper. Just paper. I had to take it in for a second. Every dish has a story. Treasured childhood food memories and their recipes. I can't believe I'm holding my book. I absolutely can't believe I'm holding my book. I want to thank you guys. I want to thank everybody, especially who pre-ordered the book. I want to thank everybody who's about to order the book. The link, it's on Amazon. Right down below is your link. And in the next few weeks, I'm going to be doing episodes instead of my normal retro. I'm going to be making some of these recipes for you. You're just going to love them. Absolutely everything in here is just so special. And I even include a chapter on how the mind processes food memories and how what we ate as kids affect us as adults today. The stories are they're heartwarming, they're beautiful, they're childhood memories. And also some people in the book who happen to have YouTube channels will be making their recipes. And so I just can't wait to share one after another after another. This is probably like one of the most biggest accomplishments of my life. Which is something I never ever expected. I didn't even know this was a dream, but now it is, and now it's a reality. There's no way I could possibly be more grateful. I'm looking forward to showing you recipes out of the book. Again, thank you in advance for your support. If you want to get the book, and if you want to leave a review, do the Amazon review thing, that would be a huge help. So thank you for all of your love, all of your support. Every single one of you. I know you're out there. I've gotten to know so many of you. And wow, what a journey. What a journey. This journey is done, and now we're on to the next one. So thank you all. Beyond. Hey everyone, there's a couple details I forgot to give you because I was so excited opening all these books of this. God, I'm so excited. Anyway, so first of all, I want to thank every single person that put up with me that is in the book. I mean, this was like a 2 to 3 hour Zoom interview, and then probably way more follow-up questions than they would like. So thank you guys, every single one of you, for putting up with me. And I actually got my notes here, so I'm looking down, so sorry about that, but I don't want to forget to tell you anything. Okay, so this Friday, this is my release this Friday, the unboxing video. Next week will be my very first video from the book, and I'll be making my own childhood food memory. Along with that, there are several YouTube creators, like I mentioned, that are in the book. They're going to be releasing their videos all on the same day with making their childhood memory. And then just as soon as you get the book and read their stories, you'll just totally understand how everything comes together. And it's just, oh God, I'm so excited. Because I know their stories, so I'm so excited. So I'm going to be creating a playlist. My playlist is going to be on my channel called Every Dish Has a Story. And in there is going to be every single video created out of the book. So all of the ones I'm going to be doing, and I'm going to be doing a selected amount of recipes from the book. So not all of them, but some of them, just to kind of give you an idea of the beautiful, beautiful food that's coming out of this book. And then just put the stories with it, and oh my God, you're gonna be so happy. Everything I'm gonna be making that has to do with the book will be in the playlist, and every single one of all my friends' videos that are their childhood food memory, they will be in the place as well. Yeah. Oh, and one more time, the link to this is right below. And I'm just, once again, I cannot thank you enough for your love, your support. YouTube has been amazing for me. I never in a million years thought I would be even writing a book. I certainly didn't think that when I started this channel, but here it is. So anyway, I hope you enjoy. I hope you have a most wonderful day, and we'll be seeing you on YouTube again. making food. Bye.